TaskRabbit. No, not that. A website and app. Have you heard of it? No? Well, by the end of the video, you'll want to know more about it than your best friend. Because who wouldn't want to make more money for less work? Trust me, if it's working for me, it will work for you. First of all, welcome. I'm glad you're here because this is the best new strat for 2025 to make up to $6,000 a month, all while working less than part-time. Be your own boss this year. Set your own schedule. Set your own desired wage. Work for what you are worth, not for the minimum. Yes, you heard me right. Less hours than part-time and up to $6,000 a month. DoorDash, Uber, Instacart, and Lyft are a thing of the past. Just look at my first 6 months working with TaskRabbit. Now that's just awesome. TaskRabbit is marketed as a handyman/gig worker. There is definitely a chance to promote yourself as a business, but most of us on here, like myself, are just contractors or sole proprietors. I'll get straight to the point and give you a full disclosure. You do not need any prior knowledge or skills to do this job. Granted, the more experience you have, the faster you will excel in this platform. For this task, I invoiced a total of 4 hours, and after the tip, it came to a total of $186. That's almost $50 an hour for not doing much other than having fun building some furniture, at least in my opinion. As you can see, I definitely have tools with me, but you do not need this yourself when you are starting out. I also do have some experience since I did work for a furniture company for over 5 years. But I'll tell you this, I've built plenty of furniture and you will never need more than what the company who makes the furniture provides for you. So you don't really need any tools. So as long as you can read directions and depict the diagrams, that is all you really need for this specific skill set. Now this entire job did take me 4 hours, but it only took me 3 to fully assemble this wardrobe. Now without my power tools, it would have taken me somewhere around 4 hours, but honestly, that just means more money in your pocket. Granted, I don't recommend never buying your own tools because you might not get the best ratings if you're always taking long to complete the given task. I started off working with TaskRabbit last year in the middle of August. But September is where I really started to shine. I was making over $4,000 a month with an average of 85 hours per month. That's less than 25 hours a week. What kind of job with no experience or skills can let you earn more than $6,000 a month with only 25 work week hours? If you know something like that, leave a comment below. I am very interested. My main jobs on the platform consist of furniture building and moving jobs. There is a lot of other skills I have, but that is just part of my experience. But don't get discouraged. The best part about that is that anyone can do these types of tasks. You don't really need any tools or a car. So long as you can get to the task site and you're willing to work, it's all you really need to do really well in the app and start earning up to $6,000 a month, all while doing everything else you want or love without a schedule. To be honest, I did not hear of TaskRabbit before until I signed up. I used to do all the other driving apps such as DoorDash, Uber, Uber Eats, Instacart, Grubhub, Postmates, Amazon Flex, and Lyft, but recently those apps have either gotten cluttered with more drivers or workers, or there's just very little clients on the app. And we all know with inflation rising, it makes us double think ordering that delicious food or taking that Uber compared to riding the bus. I know I sure stopped using those apps over a year ago for the same reason. TaskRabbit has definitely surpassed all my expectations because I was so used to either working for someone else and getting my paychecks, hoping I did a good enough job to get that raise every 6 months or a year. Even while working for the driver apps, I was always stuck waiting and hoping that today was a good day of orders or customers. I am glad that with TaskRabbit, I no longer have to think like that. Not only do I have more free time, but I have more money along with it to enjoy myself more than my previous jobs. And I trust that this platform, if you're up for it, will do the same for you. The best part about TaskRabbit for me is setting my own hourly price for any given skill and being able to work at whatever time I want. I definitely love spending more time with my family and not having to worry that my job would intervene between them. Definitely a perfect job for college students as well. Well, guys and girls, I hope this video has helped you out in some sort of way in setting up a better financial future. Stuff is tougher out there, but it really doesn't have to be. So long as there's a will, there is a way. And there is no reason why you can't make more than $6K a month using this app, because like I mentioned, your work hours will plummet and you'll be left with a lot of free time, all while making more or the same as your current job. If any of you decide to come back and share your story, many of us out there just need a couple words of encouragement to do certain things in our life, and you could be the one to help others too. So share your story, or share what other types of jobs you've done that have let you have more financial freedom than your regular 9-to-5. I will leave you with me finishing up building the wardrobe, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and a great night. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and tune in next time. If you do sign up for TaskRabbit, I will have a little bit more videos explaining some tips and tricks to help you along with some of those skill sets to get more jobs. Or if you simply enjoy watching me build some furniture or the ASMR aspect of it, go ahead, like and subscribe for more future content. Thank you for watching and sticking to the end. Until next time.